Hi guys! Now we all know and love a margarita, but I thought why don't we mix it up a little bit. Had a bit of a rummage in my fridge and found this tamarind paste, which I often use in stir fries and things to give it a little bit of a kick. And I reckon it's gonna taste quite delicious with some tequila as well. So let's give it a try. So just like one sort of large bar spoon of the tamarind paste. Then I'm gonna go in with 50 mils of Blanco tequila. Then we'll find our Curacao. I've got it in a little cheap bottle here. And I'm gonna go in with 20 mils of that. Got my hand squeezed lime here, and we're gonna do 20 mils of this. And then we'll give that a shake. So given that we're doing this nice and easy at-home cocktails, I've just used a pretty glass and not worried too much about a garnish. The tamarind really like pops out all the other citrus, so like super limey, super orangey, and then just has this nice little like earthy kind of tropical earthy flavor, if that's a thing. I've just made it up, but that's what that tastes like. Tamarind margarita. So now you know.